Bend one orange pipe cleaner at 6 centimeters. Leave 1 centimeter on the short end and twist tightly. Bend a small loop at the base and twist to secure. Fold a new piece at 0.5 centimeters and insert into the loop. Wrap upward and fill the pedal from left to right. Trim the excess and shape the curve. Press the center of the pedal with one finger and gently pinch both sides of the top edge to shape it. Wrap one orange pipe cleaner around your finger to form a small circle about 1.5 to 2 centimeters in diameter. Measure 5 centimeters on the long end and bend. Take a new pipe cleaner, bend 0.5 centimeters at one end, and insert it into the center of the circle. Wrap upward to the pedal edge, filling from left to right. If needed, secure and trim excess. Each pedal uses about 2 pipe cleaners. Make 4 medium pedals total. Fold each pedal upward and gently curve the edges outward. Press the center and slightly push the tops inward to create a natural curve. Wrap one pipe cleaner around your finger to form a 1.5 to 2 centimeter circle. Measure 6 centimeters on the long end and bend. Insert a new 0.5 centimeters bent pipe cleaner into the center of the circle. Wrap upward and fill from left to right. Secure and trim excess if needed. Each pedal uses about 2 pipe cleaners. Make 5 large pedals total. Fold the pedals upward and curve the edges outward. Press the center and gently shape the tops inward to form a rounded look. Bend the olive green wire into 3 parts. Bend at about 4 centimeters. Leave 0.5 centimeters on the short end and twist tightly. First curve it slightly inward, then bend the tips slightly outward. Make 5 sepals total. Fold 1 olive green pipe cleaner in half. Bend at about 4.5 centimeters. Leave 0.5 centimeters on the short end and twist tightly to form a leaf. Wrap the long end backward and bring it through the center. Trim the tip into a point. Make 2 identical leaves this way. Then take 1 full pipe cleaner and make a 3rd leaf using the same method. Wrap the longest leaf stem with light green floral tape. Attach the second leaf about 2.5 centimeters below the first one, then attach the 3rd leaf. Trim the stems, leaving about 3 centimeters at the bottom. Insert the small center pedal into the center loop of the medium pedals. Then insert them into the center loops of the large petals in order. Evenly attach the 5 sepals around the base of the flower. Take a flower stem and wrap it around the stem several times to secure. Wrap floral tape from top to bottom along the stem. About 5 centimeters below the flower head, attach the leaves. Continue wrapping floral tape until the entire stem is fully covered.